Hello, good morning, traders. This is Jared from the Trading Empire. It is January 23rd, 2016, giving you the projected move results for the two pairs predicted for the week of January 18th through January 22nd, 2016. So let's take a look and see what we have. First item of business, CFTC Rule 4.41 explains to us that in trading the Forex market, there are large potential rewards, but also there's large potential risk. Most importantly, we should not invest any money that we cannot afford to lose. So looking at the projected moves for the week of January 18th to January 22nd, the two pairs that we had for the best potential setups, the first one was British Pound US Dollar, and overall the British Pound US Dollar had been in a downtrend. It's been in a drop for quite some time. You can go back to the chart history and take a look at that, but we expected price to come out at the beginning of market, stop hunt in consolidation, give us a false move to the bottom side, perhaps even pushing another day before giving us the opportunity to trade this pair long. So let's see what they did for us during the week. So clearly we can see here the weekly structure is present for the British Pound US Dollar, at least in regards to giving us the setups for the long opportunities. On Monday, price came out, gave us a nice stop hunt here during the London session, a big move for 75 pips, at which point during the New York session, price came right back down. And at the change of market here, we can clearly see this doji candle followed up by this bullish engulfing candle. That was the stop hunt, later retested during the Tokyo, and it gave us another move here for 105 pips to the top side. After dropping, setting a new low here during the New York session on late Tuesday, we had a day of consolidation. Not too much happened here on this pair, but then on Thursday we can see they set the new low of the week with the stop hunt, which engulfed here. We have a candle, we have a couple of spike pins to the bottom side, and then here price moved 170 pips to the long side, and then the second day of rise here after this low was set for 160 pips for the British Pound. So this pair moved over 500 pips for the week. At least they gave us an opportunity to trade long. Adding these up was about 500 pips, and so the opportunity was there for this pair. But interestingly enough, what I wanted to draw your attention to is you can see here how price ended the week right at the same price point where it started. So just be aware of that when you're looking to trade this pair coming in for the next week, because it looks like there's probably going to be some additional opportunities to take this pair to the long side. Okay, let's take a look at the next pair we had, which was the New Zealand US dollar. And for the New Zealand US dollar, again, price has been in a downtrend for at least a couple of 2-3 weeks. We can see it's dropped over 400 plus pips to the bottom side. And so what we're looking for this week was for the last week for price to come out in consolidation, give us a stop hunt, retest this low of the week area here, and give us the opportunity for price to rise. So on Monday, price gap down, gave us a nice move to the long side, 78 pips here. Following consolidation, again, another stop hunt to the bottom side, retesting this low of the week here, 98 pips to the top. And then on Wednesday, just before the changeover here, we can see that price did drop short to the bottom side and retested the low of the week that was set on Friday. And we have the stop hunt to the bottom side here. First day of rise, 127 pips. We have a second day of rise here with the stop hunt on the 50 EMA, good here for 150 pips on late Thursday. And then price on Friday just basically, after a short move here to the EMAs, just stayed around in consolidation and ended the day here. So this pair performed very well for us as well. We can see clearly over 400 pips was available during this week. Almost 450 pips. Let me rephrase that. And it looks like the low of the week was set here on Wednesday, retesting this low as we expected, and then we have the 2 days of rise here. So this pair also, performed well for us regarding the daily and the weekly structure. So that's what we have for this week for these pairs, guys. Hopefully you guys were able to grab at least some of those pips because the opportunities definitely were there, following the setups. Okay, so that concludes this video. Thanks for listening, and we'll look forward to seeing everybody in the Tokyo session coming on Monday next week. Until then, have a great weekend, and we'll see you guys shortly.